Hey everyone, John here, lead maintainer of Latterly.io, a career development platform for us in tech with a focus on growing your social professional network and helping you land your next job. Today, I'd like to implement certifications. So this was something that has been on the Latterly roadmap for a long time, and I have never been able to figure out how to publish a certification to LinkedIn using an API call. And I realized that I don't have to. So if I go to LinkedIn and I try to add a cert, I just need to create a page with a credential ID. And that's enough. So I don't need to use the API. I will just be asking users to add the cert themselves. But on the Latterly side, we can generate the credential ID and publish a page when they earn the certification. So the way this will work is you will come to the Grow tab, and now we're gonna have courses. So courses are new, and what is a course? It's learning material plus a quiz. So we already have learning material, so the main thing that we want to introduce is the quiz entity. And if you pass a quiz, then you get a certification. And so we have community profiles already. So here's your community profile URL, and here we might be able to have certification or certifications, and then some ID. And that will bring you to a page which says, yeah, like this is a valid certification or not. And I want to provide the ability to be certified with honors if you pass the quiz with a 100% success rate. So I'll be putting the bar at 80%. 80% feels arbitrary, but it's in the spirit of the 80-20 rule, basically. So if you get 80% on the quiz correct, you pass, and if you get 100%, you pass with honors. Okay, so that's the background. And what quiz are we going to do first? Let's do the time management article. I like this because it gets a few birds with one stone. It allows us to implement quizzes. It's a soft skill. So Latterly has technical instruction, how to build portfolios with React and Next.js and all of this. But the longer term vision for Latterly is to serve knowledge workers, not just programmers. So there's today an emphasis on programmers, but I want to broaden the consumer base and broaden our appeal to employers. So in an attempt to monetize Latterly and grow the paying membership, not just the free membership, but the paying membership, one of the ways that I want to do that is I want to be able to enable you to say, hey employer, there's a request letter right here. Hey employer, please pay for my training because it's only $6 a month and look at all the skills that I'm getting. And I want it to apply to all kinds of knowledge workers, not just programmers. So Latterly has content on time management, verbal and nonverbal communication, and so on. We have that content, but it's currently not behind a paywall. It's actually free, and it's underconsumed. So I'm surprised how little attention those resources have gotten. And so the solution, how do we get them more attention? The solution is that I can market them. But I don't want to I don't want to spend time and money on marketing if it's not monetizing. So the further solution is to monetize it. Okay, so now you see full circle why I would like to create a course out of soft skill. The final reason here is that the website itself, if you look on the blogs, the website itself is not capturing soft skills currently. It's focused on like LeetCode and HTML and job search and social networking. Insofar as the social networking counts as soft skills, it's there, but this is not the kind of soft skill that an employer seeking to train their employee, they're not going to be training them on social networking for the purpose of the job search, right? So on the job, usable soft skills are basically absent from the blog today. So we fill that gap. That's another bird struck with this approach. Cool. So we get the blog. So we're going to start with the blog article, then build a course page. Course will have learning material and quiz. And then we need to build out the quiz experience. And that's what we're doing in the current stream. And this might take a couple days. So this might take 1 to 4 streams. Let's dive in. I'll start with the blog article. We'll do this first. I'll ignore the cursor update for now. I think cursor had a pretty cool update where it can pass images to MCP now, which is great. I'm failing to paste the ID 466. Okay, so we're going to start by making this blog article. So laterally IO blog, and then I'll go to just any of these suffix MD files just to get over in this folder. And now I want to make a new file. Actually, do I already have the... Yeah, no I don't. Today's date is the 18th. Okay, so we name these files off the date. This will be a premium article. This is article number 26, 7, 8, 9. Cool. Okay. Time management enables higher productivity, work, life balance, and life satisfaction. Let's just say productivity and work-life balance. I think it's fair to say life satisfaction, do you? Is that not fair? If you had more time. Let's see. Let's fact check that. Is time management associated with life satisfaction? Cite your sources. Does time management work? Results show that time management is moderately related to job performance, academic achievement, and well-being. Nice. Also shows a moderate negative relationship with distress. Love it. We'll go with this. Okay. Time management enables higher productivity and better well-being, and lower stress. Laterally.io. Essentials. Things over and above. Provides an hour-long provides a free hour-long video deep dive on time management here. on YouTube. Latterly.io provides a free hour-long video deep dive on time management. I'll just say that. The current article summarizes that video and adds additional techniques from other sources. The current article summarizes that video and adds additional techniques from other sources. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so the first here will be Essentials of Time Management video summary. Then I want to cover inbox 0. That's the other thing that I want to cover. Let's close these. Getting things done. What was the other one? Agile techniques, 7 habits of highly effective people. All of this, basically. Good. I think this is it. I think this is what we want to do. So, Essentials of Time Management. I already had Gemini do a summary. I had Gemini do a summary, and it was quite good. Okay, so I asked it to summarize the video. Okay. So let's start with this. So we will say Latterly.io's video deep dive on time management discusses, and then Jim and I can pick it up from there, Latterly's video deep dive on time management. Discusses, let's just say Latterly.io's Essentials of Time Management video. Discusses essential time management strategies and mental models for maximizing value and achieving goals. The presenter, a staff software engineer with over 10 years of experience and a PhD in economics. That's me. Defines time management as the proper allocation of time to maximize value. Absolutely. I won't timestamp the intro, but I will include... By the way, did I even have... Do I even have the YouTube video description? Okay, well there's one reason that nobody watches it. The YouTube video description is awful. Okay. Format this summary into a YouTube video description, including a call to action to sign up free at laterally.io/sign up. That's the right URL. I'm already logged in. Okay, thanks, Laterally. Let the timestamps be like, yeah. Give the usual YouTube video description. Timestamp list format. Okay, so we'll let it do its thing over here while we continue. Laterally.io's Essentials of Time Management video discusses essential time management strategies. That feels redundant. Even the time management bit feels redundant. Discusses strategies and mental models for maximizing value and achieving goals. Key strategies and concepts covered include how are these grouped? Okay, so there's a high level group and then a subgroup. Prioritization methods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It sounds like I'm dancing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And actually there's 9 because there's the introduction. I don't need the introduction for this article. Okay, so here's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Here, this is a misspelling. This should be Kairos time. That's interesting that it spelled it the other way. The summary concludes with 13 highlights covering planning, anticipating tasks, making time. Yeah, I want to hear more about that. I want to hear more about that. I don't see the timestamps. Cool. I think it's so annoying how every language tool wants you to say master this, master that, mastery. Like, bro, you have not mastered anything. Okay. Six different things can be. Okay, great. So hopefully this will get some more views. But the main goal is to convert it to a blog article. So this is what I want to hear more about. Let's return to the narrative discussion for use in blog article construction. Authoring. Okay, finding the right opportunities is crucial. Yeah, so I have 13 highlights here. 13 highlights. Plan weekly and block time on a calendar. Excuse me. Yeah, so these are the 13 items basically. So instead of a list of 10 and then this thing, there's 13. So I really need all 13. Plan weekly and block time. Time management is budgeting. So this is like calendar techniques. Make time by saying no and prioritizing. Okay, I think I need to work on this article further, and I hear my kids yelling upstairs. So, I am going to take this offline. I'll finish up the blog article, and we will come back later today and work on